case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2010, a complex legal row emerged between Royal Indemnity Company and Factory Mutual Insurance Company, a case that eventually found its way to the Iowa Supreme Court. The case offered a compelling exploration of contract breach liability, linked closely with the concept that only foreseeable losses resulting from the breach may warrant damage awards. At the heart of the dispute was Petersen Properties' warehouse that caught fire, leading to the total destruction of Deere's merchandise. Deere had previously contracted with Factory Mutual Insurance Company, FM, for loss prevention services. FM was tasked with evaluating the facility, but it neglected to test the sprinkler system or scrutinize maintenance records. This oversight prompted the legal action by Royal Indemnity Company and Federal Insurance Company, who demanded a hefty $39.5 million in damages. As the case unfolded, the court held FM accountable for breaching the contract, citing their failure to properly inspect the warehouse mechanisms. Yet, despite this verdict, Deere struggled to establish anything beyond factual causation, an insufficient ground for sustaining FM's liability. Remarkably, the court then determined that FM was not at fault for the destruction of Deere's inventory, ensuing an about-face concerning the former verdict. Consequently, the damages that were initially awarded to the Royal were overturned. The court justified this by asserting those damages were unforeseeable at the time of the contract's creation. In conclusion, the court decided to overrule the previously implemented damages targeted at FM and ordered the dismissal off all claims, thus rendering Factory Mutual Insurance exempt from accountability for Deere's enormous inventory loss. It was a case that underscored the intense boundaries of contract breach liability and an enduring reminder of the rigorous legal terrain surrounding foreseeable losses.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.